Hello everyone, my name is Jia and I'm studying in 3rd standard. I would like to speak a few words about my school. School is a building which has 4 walls with tomorrow inside, says a wise man. Yes, schools are the places where the future is being shaped. I'm very excited to speak about my school. I'm a student of Freshkey English Medium School. It is located in the city of Karkala under Udupi district. It is one of the best schools in the city and learning there is a great experience. The building of my school is very beautiful and spacious. There is a huge playground in front of my school. We play many outdoor games there. We have many classrooms, staff rooms, office rooms, indoor games, library, computer lab, etc. We also have extracurricular activities like Bharatanatyam, music class, karate, chess, Yakshagana, cups and bulbul, scouts and guides, art and craft, drawing classes and many more. All facilities and surroundings are neatly arranged and very clean. Our classrooms are decorated with good pictures and learning tools. We have many teaching and non-teaching staffs who are very talented, kind, hardworking and teach us new things every day. Each day in our school is filled with lots of fun, laughter, learning and good memories. Hence, I would recommend Freshkey English Medium School. It's the best school for a bright future. Thank you.
ತಾನಿ ತಂದಾನ ತಂದನಾನ ತಾನಿ ತಂದಾನ ತಂದನ ತಾನಿ ತಂದಾನ ತಂದನಾನ ತಾನಿ ತಂದಾನ ತಂದನಾನ ತಾನಿ ತಂದಾನ ತಂದನಾನ ತಾನಿ ತಂದಾನ ತಂದನಾನ
ಶಂಕು ಕನೆ ಮಗುವಂತಾಗೋ ಸೊಗಸು ಇಲ್ಲುಂಟು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಒಂದೇ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮನಸ್ಸೇ ಹೂದಂಟು ಹೂಗಳಗಂಟು ನೂರಾರು ಬಣ್ಣಗಳು ಒಂದು ಗೂಡಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಒಂದೇ ಗೂಡಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಚ್ಚೆ ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಚ್ಚೆ ಕಾಡೆ ಗೂಡಲಿ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಬೇಕು ಕಣ್ಣ ಗೂಡಲಿ ನೂರಾರು ಬಣ್ಣಗಳು ಒಂದು ಗೂಡಲಿ ನೂರಾರು ನೂರು ನೂರು ಆರು
ನಾವು ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಹಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ, ಕುಣಿಯುತ್ತೇವೆ, ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿಯೇ ಇರುತ್ತೇವೆ ಎಂದು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮನೋರಂಜಿಸಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಕ್ರೈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕಾರ್ಕಳ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಆಯ್ಕೆ. ದಾಖಲಾತಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ.